customers. Your kind permission, I will endeavour to assassinate Rubenstein's melodionette. In the meantime, the ladies may continue to smoke, and the gentlemen can eat anything they brought with them. Yes. By the way, I forgot to announce that this piano has been lent by the courtesy of the British Museum. The other piano over here is what is known as a genuine Sebastian. And what a Sebastian. You'll hear that later. Oh, by the way, I went to a boxing match the other night and I saw two big heavyweights get in the ring and have a fight. Now these fellows, they got in the ring and honestly, they never hit each other once. All they did was to clinch the whole time. You know what I mean by clinching? This sort of stuff, you know. Well, they were clinching so much that there was a fellow sitting beside me, got up and shouted out, "For goodness sake, why doesn't somebody put the lights out? I think they want to be left alone." Waiter. I'm so sorry. You know, I've forgotten all about this. In case you don't know what this might be, it's Exhibit 2, or in other words, my partner, Mr. Edgar. He's a charming fellow, and I mean, apart from being an old public house schoolboy, I might mention Mr. Edgar comes from a very old theatrical family. Quite right, isn't it? Yes. Mr. Edgar's father and mother have been on the stage all their lives. That's right, isn't it? Quite right, quite right. In fact, I believe, I'm not quite sure, but I believe that Mr. Edgar was born at a rehearsal. Yes, well anyway, that's beside the point. I would now like to try and play you the famous William to Hell Overture on the concertina.
Just one moment. That's not the way to play the concertina, like that.
No?
You play it like that.
Ah, yes. You may play it like that. But you see, I play it like this, old boy. You see, I learned to play the concertina in one of those new council houses. And naturally, there was no room to play it like that. Yeah.
I was feeling gay. I put on my hat, picked up my gloves, and started on my way. It was a lovely summer evening, and when I reminisce, I can see it all as I recall. It happened something like this. The sky was full of moon, the moon was full of smiles, and I was full of joy and ecstasy. Then he raised his hat, I raised my eyes, it was easy as ABC. The trees were full of birds, the birds were full of song, the song said kiss him tenderly. So I raised my lips, I raised my arms, and now he belongs to me. I said, would you like to cuddle? Would you like a little bit of love? He said, course I'd like to cuddle. What do you think that I'm made of? And now we've got a house. The house is full of rooms. Of course we've got a nursery. 'Cause he raised his hat, I raised my eyes. Now we're raising a family.